Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Wraps Day. Today we're gonna make late night beef wrap. For this wrap, we're gonna use a whole wheat wrap. It's a simple one. I'm gonna use some tzatziki, and I had some left over, so we're gonna use this as our sauce. And you can put a lot on it, or just a little bit. Just do it how you like it. A mixed salad with some herbs, some oregano. Now I cooked me some beef because it's late night beef wrap. And I'm gonna put on about 5 pieces of beef. The wrap still has to be folded. Don't put too much on it. I also added some extra tzatziki sauce. And I know you don't do this with your fingers, but hey, I like finger food. So now comes the folding. And I'm thinking, how am I gonna fold this? And I'm trying a new method. I don't know how to call this method. So we're just gonna call it making a bag. And there you have it. Now let's cut into this and look how this late night beef wrap looks on the inside. And you know what's inside: beef, salad and tzatziki. Oh yum, I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my late night snack. Or is it a wrap snack? Snack wrap? I don't know. It's delicious. If you're new, I hope you subscribe, and if you're not new, give me a like, leave me a comment, and as always, see you next time.